How to use Amazon Pay Balance. Want to use your Amazon Pay Balance? This guide shows you how you can use Amazon Pay Balance so you can pay for your orders with it. First, you need to go to the checkout page. Add the items that you want to buy to your cart, and then tap on Proceed to Checkout button. This will take you to the final page where you can confirm your order. On the payment page, you'll see an option that says Amazon Pay Balance. Tap on it and select it as a payment method. If you have enough balance, the payment method will be processed instantly. If you don't have enough balance, you'll be able to top up your Amazon Pay wallet with a credit card, a debit card, or an UPI. It is a great way to pay for your orders quickly and easily. You can also use it to pay for things like bills, recharges, or more. You now know how to use Amazon Pay Balance. Get ready to pay for your orders with it. Like and subscribe for more app tips.